Hello students, let's talk about how to use Excel COUNTIF and COUNTIFs functions. The data set is from question number 7 in homework 2. Suppose we want to know how many data are greater than 300. We use COUNTIF. The range is the data set, comma. The criteria is double quotes, greater than 300, double quotes, click. So we get 2. 308, 352 are the two numbers greater than 300. And next, less than 280, we use COUNTIF again. The range is a data set, comma, criteria, double quote, less than 280, double quote, and enter 23. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So we verified 23 is right. Now for this closed interval, the data are greater than or equal to 110, less than or equal to 90. Here we use COUNTIFs. So the criteria 1, the range for the criteria 1 with the data set, comma, the criteria 1 is double quote, greater than or equal to 110, double quote, comma, then data set again, comma, double quote, less than equal to 90, double quotes, we get 16. Now this interval is both open, so greater than 210, less than 290. COUNTIFs, choose the data set, comma, double quotes, greater than 210, double quotes, comma, data set again, comma, double quotes, less than 290, enter. So the answer is 15. Hope this video helps. Bye for now.